Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove Gmail account from Android. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Gmail account. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now once you open your Gmail and then you click on your profile, then you click on Google account, or you can click on manage account. You can see over here settings and settings. Now once you come to your security under your Gmail account, you can see there is no option for you to remove your account from your phone. So to remove your account, all you need to do is to open your phone settings over here, and once you open your settings, scroll down and you can see, depending on the phone that you are using, at times you can see account and sync, but depending on the phone that you are using, you can click on account over here from my device, and you have to click on the account or the Gmail account you want to remove. Now all you need to do is to click on remove account, and that's it. And you can see removing this account will delete all of 8 messages, contacts and other data from the phone. All you need to do is to click on remove account, and that's it. By removing your account, that's all. Don't forget, this doesn't mean you have deleted your account, but you have just removed your account from this particular device. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video